New arrival Land Rover Defender 110 urban styled XS model in Santorini Black. The spec on an XS, and I've said it lots of times, for me the XS, they put everything on them. Air suspension, heated cooled seats, wireless charging, fridge, full leather, the spec, sliding sunroof. But then this has got all the urban styling, so wide arches, 22s, full black exterior pack, spoiler, pod lights, steps. It's VAT qualifying, it's a 24, and it's priced at $79,990. It'll sell instantly. If you check out our website, we haven't got any other Defender 110s for sale. The other cars we have available are commercials. It'll sell instantly. Black badging, inserts, all colour-coded, full wide arch kit, so it makes it just sit and look so much wider. All colour-coded in black. You can see how it runs all the way around. 22-inch urban styled wheels. You've then got the green calipers, mud flaps, side steps, privacy glass, little roof rails, signature graphic on the side with the urban logo, and then as we move to the rear, it looks tremendous from the back there. You've got rear spoiler, urban automotive spare wheel cover, clear lights, urban badging, and then the big Land Rover mud flaps at the back. I'll show you in the back first. Massive boot space. Defenders are popular because they've got lots of room in the back, big boot space. This is also what I want to show you, air suspension button. That's a big extra for me. The car performs much better. The car's a 3-litre diesel, 250 horsepower, but on that air suspension, for me, they just drive so much better. If now you were to order a Land Rover Defender brand new and you wanted to put that on as an extra, it's nearly $2,000. Keyless entry, so you press the button, and then as we move inside, full leather. You've got Meridian sound system as well, which is upgraded. Car's beautiful, as you'd expect, all the original Land Rover mats. I think the car's done just over 4,000 miles. Sliding sunroof. And then into the front, this is when you can really see the extras again. You've got memory seats, heated seats and cooled, illuminated kick plate, heated steering wheel. Car's lovely. And now, with it being the XS, I will show you the extras. Because for me, an XS is as good as you can get. I'll actually show you the pod lights at the start. There's a little button there. Press that on and off. Just show you them pod lights first. There you go. And then just move this seat back. So you've got cruise control, multifunctional steering wheel, heated steering wheel as I've mentioned, digital cockpit. Now listen to these extras. ClearSight camera, open and tilt and sunroof. Down here, fridge, wireless charging for your phone. In your seat, you've got heated seats and you've got ventilated seats. You've then got air suspension, so the spec's absolutely superb. And then if I go into here, wireless Apple CarPlay, even though you've got your ClearSight camera, you've then got your 3D camera as well, look at that, which is your full surround camera system. Alexa driver assistance, superb specification. So as an XS goes, the spec's massive. But then you have all the urban stand. You've even got ambient lighting as well, which is another extra. This is priced $79,990, including VAT. It's going live on the website. If you want to get it reserved, just call me. The number's on the bottom of the screen, or send us a WhatsApp.